Hi and welcome to Carlisle Audi. I'll be taking you on tour of this used MINI Convertible Cooper S Sport Steptronic finished in the stunning Starlight Blue. This Mini houses a 2-litre petrol engine giving off 192 PS, so it really does pack performance. To the front, it comes fitted with the LED headlights as well as the closed ring daytime running light, ensuring you'll have maximum visibility on the road regardless of weather conditions. The front also features that infamous bonnet scoop that is very well known with the Mini Coopers, and it sits beautifully on a set of these 17-inch John Cooper Works Traxpo alloy wheels finished in the gloss black, and it really complements the overall styling, which is the John Cooper Works Aerodynamic Kit, making for a stunning car. To the interior, it comes finished with the John Cooper Works sport seats in the black checkered effect, and it can fit 2 persons in the back of this vehicle quite comfortably. The seats are very supportive and there's plenty of legroom for any journey you venture out on. It does also feature the child ISOFIX anchor points in case you do need to carry any child seats on any journeys you go on. And as we continue our tour around this John Cooper Works, it looks very aggressive from the back, again with that infamous dual exhaust tailpipe located in the centre. It comes with the rear parking sensors for added assistance, and it does have a small boot where you can stow away a few items such as any personal shopping or any smaller items you may wish to carry. It does feature the easy load system as well for added convenience, and upon closing the tailgate and taking a step back really gives us another chance to appreciate how beautiful this Mini Cooper S is. As we take a walk towards the front of the vehicle, upon opening the door, we are greeted with the leather-wrapped multi-function control steering wheel and a nice sporty looking interior featuring carbon inlays. The front sport seats, again, are the John Cooper Works sport seats finished in the black checkered and are very supportive, as you can see by the side bolsters. There's plenty of adjustment in here for any journeys you venture out on. That completes my exterior tour of this Mini. Please stick around for the second part where I'll be heading inside the vehicle and showcasing the technology that this has to offer. To the right hand side, we've got controls for volume adjustment, as well as going through various menus in the Mini digital driver's display. And to the left, we've got all the functions to help you activate and set up the cruise control with speed limiter, which is great for those longer motorway journeys. As mentioned, you do have a small digital driver's display, which contains such information as vehicle data, for example, miles per gallon, and it also can house audio features for your radio and DAB. Moving into the centre of the cabin, this is where you can find your Mini infotainment system on the 6.5-inch display. You can access a whole host of applications such as Mini Connect, as well as My Mini, allowing you to look at vehicle status, as well as notifications, including servicing checks and when your servicing is next due. You've also got your media and radio application, which, as stated, allows you to select from your favourite radio stations, either DAB or FM, and also allows you to input your own music via USB or Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile phone, which is a fantastic feature to have when you're venturing out on those journeys, being able to receive or answer calls while staying focused on the road ahead of you. Moving down from that, we do have your climate control settings. This is for both driver and passenger, and it's a dual zone climate control, allowing each to set their own ambient temperature depending on the weather conditions outside. And it also features the 3-stage heated seat function, which is great for those colder winter mornings. Located just below that, you've got the plain toggle style switches for the stopping and starting the engine, and you also have media input located just underneath there. Storage wise, there are a couple of cup holders for added convenience, and this car does feature the Steptronic automatic gearbox, which is a smooth drive. Located below that, we do have the swivel wheel and menu controls to help you navigate through the Mini infotainment system, and there is a central armrest for storage and added comfort. To retract the roof, all you do is you push back on the silver toggle, keep it held, and the roof will retract as shown. This is a great feature to have, especially on those warmer, sunnier days. That completes my tour of this Mini Convertible John Cooper Works Sport Steptronic. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, call us now on 01228 371 516. Thank you.